Hello, how are you? Today we will see how to hide the files and folders and videos or something like that. So, for start the video, I will go for the folders. This is my folder. I want to hide these folders. So if I here we have some pictures, some text file, word file, and if I go to for videos, some videos. We have some videos, some pictures and some text file. So I want to hide these files. um, Same folder options. If I go to folder options, and then here are some extension, hide extension. These are the extension. You see this GPG, video, documents, and video. We have a MP4 or something. Where we have extensions. If I hide these extensions, you can just type the extension to something else. Yani if you want to hide these files, you just type this extension like text file or another format. Is confirmation message is that are you sure you want to change it? Okay, I want to change this extension. And then choose this folder. Here we have this text file, and then if I change this file name, it's completely hidden file. Nobody can open it. You know only that this file is it's a picture file that you know only. So again, when you want to open it, so just write the extension .jpg. So here your file comes again. So same thing for all files you can write, and same thing in the video. You can write for any video. If I choose this video, just write here mp4 to text or any other format. So I just want to open it, and then open with, I will choose for always, and then text. So this text file is open it. So here is your video. If you want to change the file names, file name, why we need to change it? Because if someone search here, or someone search here for .mp4, your someone search here .mp4, so just imagine that your text file is not shown here. So your text file is completely hide. So after that, if you want to change the again here, so mp4 is mentioned, and then your format will come here. Same here, .txt. For example, if I want to hide these files, so here we have an extension. So I just change the extension .jpg to text, and then I just refresh this one. So your file is changed to the text file. So it means that nobody knows that this file is text file. So nobody knows it's a text file. When you open it, so it's not opening the text file, it's opening like this. So you know only that this is a JPG file, so just write here JPG. So your file is opening, you can open it, and then it's can be open or something. Same here in videos, you just imagine that this is a mp4 files. I can write here text file, and then I can write any other things, system file, and then so everyone knows is that system file is a text system file. So if I open it, it's sure it will open in the text format. So again, if I want to open it again, mp4 is mentioned here, and then it will open this mp4 file. It will completely open it. So here same thing, this is all same thing. If I want to change the complete folder, so I have to write here add to rar, and then I will change the extension. If you want to change your things, you can change the system. It's a Windows text format, so nobody knows it's a text file or not file. If you want to open it again, so just rewrite again, for just change the extension .rar. So it will, you can open it, surely you can open it. So here you have files. So here is the best way to hide the files, and it's a good method. For the next method is that right click in the properties, it's a hide file. So everyone knows if I hide the files, so I can hide the files from here also. I can hide the file from inside. The other method is something like that. And then when you go to the folder options, so hide empty, this is on hide extensions. So this is your complete folder, is something look like that. This is your complete folder. If I make it like this, here you have a folders, and this is a folders.